You getting hot?
It's probably starting to smoke a little. That means you get up to 450, 500 degrees, so the oil will start burning finally. It'll start bubbling out any hole in this thing too. When you start seeing it smoking, that means the preheat's getting to be pretty good.
Yeah. That's hot.
It is? Can you tell? You put your thumb on there?
No.
Warm.
Warm.
Good thing my gloves. Let's see, which helmet are we wearing today? I don't think these helmets even work anymore because they're so old.
They should.
If the batteries don't work when you start welding, it'll blind me, so. Perfect. We'll find out the batteries up.
We'll just put batteries in it.
You're assuming I even have batteries for these helmets.
You probably do.
I used to have some manual helmets, but I don't see those anymore. They're probably out to storage. So hopefully one of these two batteries work. Oh, let's see, you gotta put this thing is fancy. You have to turn it on the welding. I'm not sure how you do that, but.
Well, one says this.
Well, the battery must be on. See, it's saying something down here, but it's not in the.
Well, the battery is very low.
How you know?
Because it's flashing up there at the top.
Oh, is that how you know?
Yeah.
Quit working.
No.
Mode, auto, 7. Is that TIG or cutting? I don't know the difference.
I don't know.
7's nowhere near dark.
It says
enough.
TIG, auto, TIG.
That's TIG?
Yeah.
But it's not on the number you can use. Oh, there we go. 10, 11, that's better. 12, 13 usually. We'll see how 11 works. Okay, maybe I won't blind myself on the first shot. We'll find out. Put sunballs in your eyes though if you do. Okay, this is the torch makes it through the day. Haven't left that. Already burned it up twice. Fix that problem, I hope. Find out. always works better when you tip it, you stick your tip in the damn aluminum. Oh well. Okay, everything's done except what I'm supposed to be doing. This. Did I miss that spot or didn't I? Looks like I missed that spot. A little thin over there. Yeah, I didn't think there were any problems.
Yeah, it looks good to me.
Too much is fine. Too little is bad.
Yeah, too much is fine.
This here just on the hole, right?
More is better.
This one here just got to fill this hole. Hopefully I'm deep enough.
Looks good to me.
I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll find out. Now these rags you can't pick up heads with because they're plastic.
Because they'll melt.
They're plastic.
The rag is?
Yeah, you need a cotton rag, so you need old red rags. Then I can pick the heads up, but you can't use these things.
Oh, I don't have one.
Either.
It's in the truck.
Used to be a bunch up there, they're not there either now. Okay, what do we do with damage? Anything? I don't see any damage, you?
No,
Good, it works.
it's fine.
Okay, this is hot.